how to place an order on Temu. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Temu and install the app on a device. Once you have installed it, all you have to do is open the app and either sign in with an existing account or create a new account. After you do so, once signed in, you can browse various products categories or use the search bar to find specific items. You can simply tap on any products to see detailed information including reviews, sizes, colors, and price. When you find an item you want, choose any necessary options, size, color, quantity, etc. And there you can see Add to Cart option available there, and then tap on the Add to Cart. Now after adding all desired items to your cart, tap on the shopping cart icon usually found in the bottom. And after you tap on it, review your selected items and ensure everything is correct. Then you can simply tap on the checkout to proceed. After you tap on the checkout, you will have to provide your shipping address if it's your first order. You can also choose from saved addresses if you have ordered before. You can simply choose a payment method, credit or debit card, or other options depending on your locations. Enter your payment details and ensure everything is accurate. Once you have entered all the necessary information, you can simply tap Place Order to complete your purchase, and you will receive an order confirmation email with the details of your purchase. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.